This setup is a gold wash plant. It is configured with a trommel scrubber to remove oversized rocks, and wet drum magnetic separator to remove black sand, and a centrifugal concentrator, shaking table, and sluice box to capture fine gold concentrates and gold nuggets. 1. First, use a loader to feed the raw material into the hopper. The stone enters the vibrating feeder from the lower part of the hopper. The plus 50 mm scrap will be separated by the vibrating feeder grizzly bar and transferred by a conveyor to a waste pile. 2.0 to 50 mm will feed to the trommel scrubber. We made 2 screens on the trommel scrubber, 3 mm, and 12 mm respectively. After washing and screening, transport the material 12 to 50 mm as waste sand by belt conveyor. The material 3 to 12 mm will flow to 4 sets of gold sluice boxes to catch the gold particles. 3. Then the material between 0 to 3 mm will be input into the slurry tank. We use a slurry pump to pump the last material 0 to 3 mm onto the wet drum magnetic separator to remove black sand, magnetite. 4. After removing magnetite, the tailings will feed to the centrifugal concentrator. Centrifugal concentrator can concentrate gold particles of 0 to 3 mm. 4. The tailings will flow to 2 sets of sluice boxes to catch again if there are gold particles. 5. The concentration after the centrifugal concentrator enters the shaking table through the pipe. The shaking table can concentrate the gold powder between 0 to 2 mm. Finally, use a gold smelting furnace to get the gold bar. If you request, we can offer it. 6. After getting all the gold concentrates, the tailings from 4 sets of sluice boxes will be sent to one #spiral dewatering machine, then using a belt conveyor the 3 to 12 mm tailing dry sand. The overflow is the clear water can be used again on trommel scrubber or sluice box. The clear water will flow to the sedimentation tank. 7. The tailings after shaking the table and 2 sets of sluice boxes will be sent to number 2 spiral dewatering machines. The overflow is the clear water that will flow to the sedimentation tank. The 0 to 3 mm sand is very small size, so there is one more dewatering screen to dewater again. Finally, use one belt conveyor to send the 0 to 3 mm tailing dry sand. The trommel scrubber, centrifugal concentrator, and shaking table can change to different models and increase quantity according to different capacities. This washing plant is suitable for recovering alluvial gold ore that contains sticky clay.